Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up our voice access activation shortcut button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Right now we need to go to settings, then in accessibility under interaction and dexterity we have our voice access. It's turned off by default. We can add shortcut on the bottom right, but we are interested in, and if we turn on our voice activation in top left, as you can see, our voice activation is active, but we can add another button, activation button here, and here it is. Now to activate our voice access, we have to simply tap it, and now our voice activation is active. Stop voice activation. Does not want to stop. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.